Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. The kitchen is located at the north end of the first floor. A utilitarian workspace designed for functional purposes, it was primarily used by the staff and has simple decor. The kitchen underwent several remodels, updates in decor, and changes in appliances over the decades. The kitchen pantry was designed by original architect Henry Conrad Maurer and added in 1912. During a remodel in 1940, new cabinets and stainless steel countertops were installed. A later remodel in 1955 added white ceramic tile walls and a new tile floor. Louis Lemon, the family's cook for 37 years, preferred to use a wood-burning stove. The family respected his wishes and installed a stove that both burned wood and used natural gas until after his passing in 1952. The room was equipped with a chimney flue above the stove to accommodate wood stove usage, as well as a round vent in the north wall above the window once used for ventilation. In 1955, the family purchased a Roper range gas stove still seen in the room today. The present floor was installed in 1985 during the museum restoration, but it is the same type and color as the previous tile. The kitchen also featured technological conveniences to quickly connect the family and staff. An annunciator box provided a means for the family to call staff members to certain rooms of the home, and an interphone allowed for two-way communication. Schedule an admission-free tour of the historic McFaddin-Ward House Museum to see the interesting features of the kitchen in person.